Hello, I'm Dr. Dami and welcome to a short tutorial on how to access files on the SEC website. If you're interested in downloading data into Excel, I'm going to show you how to do it. First thing I'm going to do is search for the SEC database, the repository for all company filings, and I'll just go on Google and do SEC Edgar. Press enter and you get the sec.com website. You click on company filings and you can scroll down. If you know the ticker for the company you're after, you put the ticker symbol in and it'll bring in data for the company. I want information for Tesla. Tesla shows up, click on Tesla, and a bunch of financial statements are shown, the latest filing as well as others. So for me, I'm looking for the company's 10K filing, and it isn't part of the ones that are shown here. So I'm just going to click on 10K and figure out which one is the latest one. So you've got Q's, 10K, there's only one. Don't click on the link. If you click on the link, it takes you a text file page. If you want the filing in Excel format, don't click on the link. So I'm going to go back. And now I'm going to click on filings. If you open up the filings, you can then click on interactive data. And right up here, there is a button for you to download the Excel file. So we're going to click on the Excel file, download that, and open it. And this is Tesla's filings in Excel format. There's a bunch of files if you look through it, but I'll let you look at them at your own convenience. That's all. Bye.